Okay, this is from the elevators on the 24th floor of the Vdara. We are in room 24030, not far from the lifts. And this is a studio fountain view suite. As you come in, you've got your kitchen area, you've got minibar, fridge, some lights on, microwave, little hob, sink with a thing to put your hand down, plenty of cupboards. There's no actual cutlery or plates, but I do understand that if you want a phone down, they'll actually send some up to you. Put some lights on. So as I said, when you walk in, you've got the kitchen area with table, ice bucket, obviously, mini fridge stuff, mini fridges down there, full length mirror here. Obviously, to open the shades and the blinds. Okay, so you've got this kind of sitting area with a divider. It's got a TV on this side. You've got the view of the fountains from the 24th floor, but you've also got a nice panoramic landscape, the river in the distance there, Gold Coast, and just see the palms. Obviously at night you can see that screen, it's quite bright, but a good view of the fountains from here at night. So you've got this dividing area, you've got plenty of cupboard space, including safe, and you've got a king size bed. On the other side of this partition is the other TV, plenty of PowerPoints. You do have a iPad, it's got general information on it and things like that. You can also order room service on there as well. And then we've got a bathroom. It's got this frosted door, which is no problem at all. And in the bath, we've got quite a deep tub. A sink, just the one sink. And vanity, sleep toilet. Good shower. Water pressure's good, temperature's good. Got a nice little thing here for your towels. Shaving mirror. We've got additional storage spaces. And that's the studio fountain view at the Vdara on the 24th floor.